Now, it may be that we want to find out if there is any local activity around our keyword. Now, in this particular case, our keyword is low carb dieting. So what we want to do is we want to go to the URL. We want to hit Control End, come all the way to the end, and then we're going to put in another search parameter to append our URL. And you'll see that URL is &, TBM equals LCL. And what we're going to do is we're going to hit local. And what you'll see here is that Google says that there are no local results. But the search engine does go to look to try to find anything within its database that says that there's something local with respect to these keywords. So again, this is a great way of being able to even drill down even further into your keyword and to see its local relevance. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.